As a content creator from Akuapem, I created a group called Let's Tour Akuapem. It's a platform to bring Akuapem people together, both those at home and those living away. We organize tours to different places, both within Akuapem and beyond, to connect with our people. The aim is to build relationship, talk about business, and help those far from home still feel connected. Through this, they also get to learn about our history, culture, and identity. So no matter where they are, they still feel at home. No group more dear Akuapem folly. After we are no join the group over the journey. It here say over test me. Cancel. So if you wanna join this group, kindly text me on WhatsApp. I'll add you to the group. Welcome to Akuapem. Let me leave you to enjoy some of the moments and also show you how everything started. You intimate cool no and amity group no na me new penny be coming home. If you say na you mu bia group no inti I say me and me organize ye bibia. Inti me sha sentem obi atu and sika obi atu 150 cedis. Enti me sha say Saturday your preparation no Saturday no your call home me ne caterer na say me ne chef no your call home on so group nimbi bom ne kwato tilapia tie fa car wa du krom Akuapem ekosi so manya from so manya na your call home just say what ya ha enti ewie no tempara na san fa car ba Akuapem your call kro bi e fa no asenema market you go di dwa on so kwato toes ne on money oil ne banch morene ne ekeka ho no aha enti ewie no ne di nyina ba efie. Na fede ensiwara me kwato drinks mkwato bi wa brew na msanto bi wa du chrome eto disposable cups ne sa nema nyinara nti mo hwa ha na me to sa nema no nti adechin Sunday no na me ko Brew Gardens me ko hwe ba bi a omede be man say yinkofo ne ba ye betina ti rent chairs na rent tables nti me ko hwe biaya ye de my say yes na say be boan na say boan na we say temporary organizer na say my leader no we say mpe ba bia obi be feel okay nti mo hwa ba Brew Gardens am videos be out to group no say omo okay with the places na patro ba bia me chere mo no me suggest no say e benya ha say days so you here we program na wati wonum kra wonum aburi abon say wo hanom baby e bia flower na logo league bi no ye ho achi na wo nti ha na ode my inti adechi en tempara mene mendafo no sori ahomache na ekoboa na onu aduan no ko ni fi wonom inti mi jam mendafo no wo ho na me call village kwato palm wine on say palm wine no mu yin fresh na ye de inti me call akura bia say friend kwadako wo amanfo wonom side no kwadako na me kwato palm wine no karim de munyangoy obi ani karim de munyangoy Haven't have we do we insano
oh yeah
okay
time ya do you go there
oh me Fast forward, me got up and one, and I'm back to baby and no, me buy no man no be fine. Now you buy yam chips, and so to me buy number one when I send by Ray Bibia, some Matiazi. And Chebiara, na me and intem do a brigade, so me do hono, and need your own mess, name now, or the Shiam, and I strong cocra, it's a ha, now grown a chasse, it's in Jamu, then share, near Siwa. Thank you very much. It's Mr. Akuapem now person who join the group here, testing number we test me high or WhatsApp send me for uncle group no me do back home. Just what I say, aha, it's in Jamu, then share, near Siwa Gardens. Thank you very much.
But the neighbor ye manu cost ni jina no chinabino a buddha casanya wa kissing kings in the wine. The door say or more they be doing boom from Kudos in dream, where about whom we dress in dream, and any baby a new payer at Monaquenti. Amen.
The boy didn't actually be a fee any Juma. Your friend me Asamoah Isaac. If you do come Akuapem. And me a graphic designer, I'm a content creator. It's a me pass the mic and open your body and all the Akawama. Actually, the mic.
So your friend is Samuel Pong, be fiebre, maybe a student.
Pastor, your friend me Kwesi Aqua, me a welder, electric welder.
Okay.
Major, your friend me Naya, me a student. Yeah.
Okay, your friend me Beneza, me a photographer.
Oh, okay.
But your friend me Latte Godwin, me a Uber driver. Me if you do Chrome, but in kind of more.
I got our friend Kwesi Asare. Me Akuapem ba social media na our friend Akuapem ba. But me fear Accra.
Pastor, your friend me Nancy. Accra na me wo. Me a fashion designer.
Your friend Philip Ojedu. Accra na me air conditioning technician.
Your friend PhD Yaweje. Me immigration officer airport.
Your friend Teresa Asabia Dankwa. Page no see your papa Asabia Dankwa. Me a caterer.
Your friend me Gilfine Champon. Page no so I'm Gil. That's me a caterer and a fashion designer.
You didn't hear Obin Eric. By social media, it's a friend PY Sagareb. Me into printing.
Monsieur your friend Anita Santisian. Well, time I come to 11. Me age more KFC.
That's it.
Your friend somewhere Asare. I'm in construction. Your friend Parry Bright Lavi, me fi Edu Chrome. Me into painting and construction limited. Thank you.
Actually, your friend me Ernest Okreku. Me if you Akuapem but me take off Odia, me engineer.
Bampacho group ni no that no be raise concern say you bet me in such a way say you bet me yi sika ebe obi be ware obi nya yi ne sa ne man amodwe say sa na ye man na say like we should cut that thing off.
I think say with that one it can wait. Before anything of that stuff we need to have a constitution. Maybe a commissioner, so I always deal with things legal. I say a constitution a bachelor say who contribute to 1 cedi, who contribute to 2 cedi in the constitution no ebia obroni ba be ware o ware aye say ana ebia sebe nyame emfa samba a year aye say. So until a constitution is put together, those things cannot come in. And before a constitution will also come in, no, there should be leadership. Leadership, you know, what I'm looking at is there could be an interim leadership. Like and yet it will say substantive to say be a to swaba and to ye ebia who live for be a year or two. Interim say they will to no kosita ma ebe yi mpanifu ankasa. Eba just what you say.
People they pay for the hard. Everybody young drink too. Street boy from the ground down. You're easy with the break boy. The checking will pay slip. The tax plan will.
You're from Naya, na you're saying.
From Samuel.
Yanka Tree and Yanka Okre. Okay. So program no who is organization no who is all buy no feel the same.
Oh, I feel good. Program very very good. Yeah, having fun. I'm like in fact really interested in it. Yeah.
But I say hello. Hey, name I know your call. Hello, you're from Naya, name for say.
What's your friend question upon answer?
You're from Naya. Pacho Yanka Chipana Yanka Tree.
Yanka Tree.
Yanka Tree. Okay, so program no oba net saying who is saying.
Mami, but still no plan. The anam BM sound. No problem. You are around. Why?
Hello.
Yeah.
You're frozen.
No, so I don't pay.
Oh, and when I can't here. Okay. No program on ba uhumomi iwomi.
Doctor, will cost.
One more power here.
Say I made a Jimon bus. No about me.
Mieka.
Me music.
Depend on unye.
The park nana.
Mieka, I bet you know. Hello. Pacho, Ethereum.
Hi. You bet me a catch.
Yanka Tree. Okay, Pacho, you're say.
You're from Anthony.
Okay, Mpacho, so program no who is saying, send like Obayan is saying, it's saying, who saying.
This is a lovely program organized, and then I look forward to seeing more. Gone were the days I was looking up to a program like this because I used to experience that of the Kwaus, the Asantes, whatever you can think of. I didn't know how I could organize such. So as it came into being, I became very happy. So I joined with full force. And then behind the scenes, I'm working to bring all my family members on board.
Oh, okay. That's so thoughtful of you.
Yes, we have a family platform that I'm now talking to them underground. So as time goes on, the group will be expanded.
Yanka Tree and Yanka Okre. Okay, so program on ba uhumome iwome.
If I talk here will cost me be business of no man.
Mpasho mieka. Okay, say and several
mediocre.
That's it. Hello. Pacho from Naya Rose.
The family Naya.
Naya to Naya.
Naya to Naya.
To Naya.
Say Yanka Tree. No. Yanka Tree. Oh, okay. Okay. No program ahume.
Oh, okay. Let me commend you. I'll wait to organize that or to bring us under one umbrella.
Enka we work akiro no make just make brofo boteduchi. No any ka okrea.
The normal. Okay, it me am kai di be ya na. Hero ye boiti. Be ya na. Adam Babo ne pe ano ne acho ni be snack ele make our so kele ya na abeni be be fio kama ele but ye be kama toka e be okay and any jama e boite
yeah
no
thanks for coming. Hello Pacho from Nine for saying
from Boga
Pacho Yanka Tree Yanka Tree
but I bet you find number 4 in India.
Where you see tree and this is where you see. Pacho program no who is saying by.
Oh, now we be able to like everything is good. Everything is good in terms of drink, food, and human relation. Like everything is perfect.
Thank you. Pacho from Naya for saying.
From a lot of good.
Yanka Tree and Yanka Tree.
Yanka Tree. What do you mean?
Oh, okay. No program home.
Oh, very bad. Oh, say never was any first time. No, but it's very bad. The cool and hero when say I there. And two Akuapem for pay be sacred to me in the BLA was. When the vampire say the Akuapem was to 13.
That's Pacho, Ethereum.
Pacho, me de kwesi asare. Me tue sankare edukrom. Ba me busy or Accra.
No program na program.
Like it was superb. Like easy. Your first time pulling. Like your second time also there. You who I me they say one interview kunaya.
But that's Hello, mommy. Pacha, your first thing.
Nancy.
Pacha program no who is.
Oh. Me who is and me person me who everything is a BBI cost so fine.
So now we're expecting a son now.
So I'm expecting a at least I've gotten the chance to meet a lot of or more crapping for moving for. So I'm very happy. Yeah.
That's it. Hello, mommy. Pacha, you're from Nigeria.
Pacha, about Passavi.
Pacha, Yankachipana, Yankachi.
Pacha, Yanko.
Okay, no program. Me sent one Benny. What expectation now?
No quality. Certainly expect. Around me. They are any junko and go so not person nebe. Obo bingi chuba ere kra nebe no kwade any boy no yonko. And that say anabo any beuri. No hero nyamisrampa ana ni esiso.
Pacho, you're from Nigeria.
From Philip.
Yankachi and Yankachipo.
Kalate.
Okay, it's no buy no program no who say.
Akuapem crew. Also we say obe ka Akuapem so wo boy pa hero aji hero efe. Aso kwa betimo yo kaso. Akuapem for one.
Me da say. Auntie Pacho, you're from Nigeria.
You're from Miguel.
Pacho, Yankachi. Okay, so by a program, no one is saying, expectation, it's saying, costing, sending our expecting the sun, a corner answer.
BBI, okay, mammy, name or many before nay, and quiet, the Akuapem did the member microma, middle and a milk wine and wow, or quarter in the mirror, many be and the name of my man for Mary.
Pacho, but next time, get phone in our back and what's it?
Martin, thank you. But so far, hero is a hero. The name speaks for itself. He has done no big stuff.
Thanks for coming. Hello, you're from Nigeria.
You're from Obing.
But I can't chip on the country.
Hey, right, I think he's a kitchen.
It's all by expectation. Who is saying? Then I expect to say, parts in a Nasi program, never call who is.
So, me a very reserved person. We conquer for minimum, me choco answer. But I was showing me no be a vibe to say, oh, mama, no vibe, no true. Send to me and see everything in your costume.
That's it. Hello, Pacha from Nigeria.
I'm from Anita.
Pacha, Yankachi and Yankachi.
Yankachi.
Okay, so expectation now, what the buy, who is saying, send a name.
Oh, Bibia, she, Bibia, kama, many agents to send me by. Bibia, nice.
Hello, Pacha, Medina and your first thing.
The bright.
Okay, so Yankachi and Yankachi. Okay, no, one bar. Me sent one way send them about.
Oh, Museto Grade Boko was a more members to fear. Nobody any been here as Ango, Orgasia. By any boy, as Queen Westminster as Crown's boy. As Ango here, Sango, but without this program, we'll be in Square, Orgasia. No media, I'm okay with it.
But I say. Hello, gentlemen. But you're from Nigeria.
Ernest.
Pacho, Yankachi and Yankachi.
Pacho Yankachi.
Okay, so by no one is saying, who near say.
Oh, I cool. I cool.
So now I expect to say near my because I cool.
I cool. It's fine.
Hello, Auntie. Pacho from Nigeria. Princess. Pacho, they Yankachi and Yankachi.
Chill.
Okay, so by no, and your
Oh, I'm so excited. I've met new people and almost everybody is welcoming. So I feel like home and I'm okay. I'm happy.
Auntie, Pacha for say.
Sika.
Okay, Pacha, who is saying? Who said your mouth was saying? Buy the program let to say.
Oh, actually, I came with my sister. So I don't really know anybody, but I feel like I'm part of you already.
You're welcome. Hello. Pacho, Sister Mary.
Hello, baby girl.
Pacho program no who is saying. And I ain't catch your phone.
Any anybody you created. Yeah. No, any name I make first of all. Ne, at a just so they say me who program and any like I uncle fan among carbon banners. Okasia. Ela ni disabled time when you plan when you sacre more as a bushia kwamo. And the penny is in any penny so no. Any yamengbe, ne organizer sounds and no paying, but no access so available ne abeto Ninjuma so Yamisha Square.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you also.
Hello. Hey, I'm okay.
A big man, great.
I take him, sir.
Sure. So I don't want to do advert give you. So if they do some business, legal business, yeah.
They do all
You
legal
so
and illegal.
tell me what do they do then? Make you mention your number.
I'm a multimedia guy. I dey do printing, then photography, videography.
Location.
Bunsu Junction, yeah, or Florida, yeah.
Okay. So what's your number?
554-664040. Kindiza Multimedia.
Oh, hey, but also you be able to your number.
Yo, me that was me a public servant.
Okay.
Ba bribinti me de besi kakra.
Okay.
Na aside that no, ya tonton drinks and nsuo one crème. Nti wa we here nsuo and drinks, all sort of drinks bia no. We to me reach here 020-877-1231.
Okay.
You have supply.
Okay, but you be able to say Obona.
Bibi de me ye bi mo but me share and start me was sound me the man for renting.
Okay.
Yeah, but for now me pese me nya location back wo every. Na me start a business no. But me bi wo order and me obi nso achiase na adeso. Tino me set up wo every new year na me mama swati.
The next location there.
Madam Pacho here there, you wait me about na man so akama.
Okay, me ye fried rice.
Pacho o kasa ntimi edi kaka.
Be aduane some fried rice na jollof.
Okay.
Ewo edukrom.
Okay. So what's your number?
0555-05-4899.
Boss, Pacho, who be out on as a bisana about number now be here bia.
Yeah, into constructions.
Okay.
Say be a open, be a who sit down open mason contractor be no be a yeah. Washama or send your omo yen be a your kines and man yen in painting. Chase still bend that be a uni muntino. Obi or baby nebi on here or contact here. Between a shaman.
Sure. Big man. We be an about number over here. Okay. I'll make a go this side. Okay, about channel.
Okay, me a screening, hair screening, and I attend to vaccines near the other, and Mpaboa ni naso for, and inside there be a. Until
okay. Penny Bacho, customer.
So what is this start here?
We are maybe a bit my advert amount I say this.
Okay. Pacho, nyamdiya kasa bacha Ebenezer. Okay. But me WhatsApp ni me the romantic photographer. Me a photographer. SI teacher. Yeah.
Pacho where from?
Mo Bunsu.
Okay. I will wait here man.
Yeah, me
na
0241 829281. Bogapit.
Sure. Ahene Pacho customer Ananga alright. Boss Pacho here there now he adverts bia.
Akuapem Benny.
Okay.
About me cleaner about me sound cleaning company. Cleaning company no. Is Akuapem ba 0244 151697.
Okay. It's more info.
Pacho me wo Roman Ridge Airport Residential.
Okay. Ahene customer me.
Air condition technician Bakupe.
Okay.
Air conditioning house at the other frame 0273 408 485.
Alright.
A friend Philip.
Okay. Bosu. Oh yeah, you be not
Okay, here so I'm into live band. Yeah, Alpha Royal International Band. 0246532347. So be per band I be distance ɛnyɛ barrier yɛhia sɛ wobɛpu so ahoma no na sɛ ɔware o sɛ ɔmame awu o papa awu o na ɔyere atena akyɛ koraa na mo se yɛ ntena bi ho koraa na wohia band na yɛde agu aware na yɛbɛgu no ama mo na biribiara yɛka ho
Madam Bacho Kasama, uye bibia. Uzo nkasa, Madam Bacho Kasama. Uye juma bi na ebia.
Okay. Okay, I own a catering service that is called Resources Catering Service. We are located at the Brewery Akuapem. So this is my contact. In fact, we do deliveries nationwide. Everywhere you want it, we have it. So those are the contacts you can get it. 0530 266464. That is our number. You can contact me too on Gil at all social media handles.
The name is PY. I'm into printing. Anything printing be what they frame me. Nebra Newtown, Accra Newtown. Yeah, print. You can reach me on 0577 390 100.
Thank you. I want to know you, ma. I'm bones. Our originals. Also, why not?
Accra Newtown.
Okay. All right, Madam Pacho, uye bibia na. Ohene, uye bibia. Wakasada. Okay, big man.
Yes, sir. From a Parabright Lab here. I'm to painting and construction.
Okay.
A damping treatment. And that's if fruit and training sort to find an Asia. If you see an embassy, the painting decoration, better painting who be a no, a better be a to Dean.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ohene, Pacho uye bibia or the better jam.
My engineer. Okay. We went to architecture, land surveying, construction. Yeah, me then say me design buildings. Then I build the buildings. Me say land documentation.
Okay. But your number is
0240 210 326. Me based work for there. My company the NS Architecture and Construction Consult.
All right. Madam, what's your customer? Ngasa. What's your then away na obey adverts be ma.
Me a makeup artist as a side hustle. Nti obia or makeup and also beautify or enhancing the beauty bia me available on all social media platforms. My number is 0202 358835 and your friend me Mel_glam6 or Instagram. Sounds or TikTok. Thank you.
Madam Bacho uye bibia. Tika samae.
All right, so your friend Mami's car on TikTok. Your friend Mami's car on TikTok. I'm known as Loveless. I run a traveling tour, travel consultancy, anything in relation to traveling, travel documents, anything, website, business certificate, passports, any legal document that you want to acquire in relation to traveling. I'm here. My number is 055 2428
All right, thank you very much. Somebody better now what is Maguni. Zimpanyifo ewie party na ebra we aba. O se efra no bacho de ne yere. Odoi ofedu komaku afem na oba no onam kwa. Mo hwade bi ode aba mo amukọ no mundue. Mo amukọ no mundue ba ye de enko ye e wa Brigades na you